Hi, my name is Lisa Garley. I'm the Training and Development Specialist here at Nextdoor. For today's training, we're going to go over Seesaw for K-5 families. The agenda for this training is what is Seesaw, to go over what it's going to look like from a class perspective and a family perspective. The first step is you need to have Seesaw on your electronic device. If you have a Nextdoor issued electronic device, this app will already, Seesaw app will already be on that electronic device. If you are using a device of your own or your phone, you will have to download this app through Google Play if you have an Android. If you have an Apple product, you will have to go through the App Store. The reason why the agency chose Seesaw is because it's a great tool to use for individualized learning for children that are on-site as well as off-site. This is a tool that can be used as a communication tool to communicate the learning that is going on in the classroom via Seesaw. The first step to this is that you will need to log in. So you will have to click log in. Once you press login, the next page you will see is I am a teacher, I am a student, I am a family member. You're going to click on I am a student. Once you click on I am a student, you're going to take the class code that you received from your child's teacher and you're going to put it in the box and press go. That will take you to this page where you will create an account. You will follow the prompts for this. You will put your child's first name, last name, email address that you would like to use, and a password that you are going to use. Remember, when you choose your password, this will be the password that you will use the duration of having this account. Once you have created your account, it is going to take you to the home page of your child's classroom. On this home page, you will see a welcoming from your child's teacher or information about the classroom that your child is in. Now, there are a few different tools that you will see on this page. One of the tools you will see is activities. This is where your child will post different learning assignments based upon your child's needs. In order to respond to these activities, you have to press Add Response. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to read the activity. When you're ready to complete the activity, with your child, you're going to press Add Response. Once you add response, it's going to take you to the page to complete the response. You have many different options of what you can use to complete the assignment. This one, you can take a photo, a video, or upload a picture that you may have, depending on what the assignment is. This one allows you to change the background or add links to your assignment. You also have a T for text, and you can type in a caption for your child's assignment, or you can just type in the response for your child, or have your child type in the response. Then you have the microphone. This is just you being able to record your child saying the response to the activity. Once you're done completing the assignment, you're going to press this green check mark in the right-hand side. You're going to press that, and the assignment is going to download to your child's journal. Once it goes to your child's journal, you're going to see a picture like this. It's going to show you the assignment that you completed with your child, or the assignment your child completed by themselves. This assignment is then going to be sent to the teacher. Once the teacher has received it and has reviewed it, then you will see this. Your item was updated. You also will see this in your inbox as well. So once your teacher sends that they either have liked the assignment or that it has been checked, it will come to you in an inbox saying your item was updated. And that's what you will see. If you want to add something to the journal, you can press the plus sign. Maybe you want to send the teacher a video of an activity that was sent home because your child comes on site. This would be where you could add a picture or a video of your child completing it, or write how your child completed that specific activity. Here are the options that they will give you: photo, drawing, video, upload a picture, or write a note in, or use a link. Depending on the activity is based upon how you may want to post this information to your child's teacher. If you would like to receive your own emails, because maybe you're working from home and somebody else is doing these assignments with the child, and you want to just keep track of if the child is completing the different assignments, you can download the family app. So the same goes. If you have an Android device, you go to Google Play. If you have an Apple product, you go to the App Store. You will download this to your electronic device. You will have to create your own username and password. But make sure that you know it has to be a separate email address from the one that your child is using. Otherwise, you will not be able to create this account via the family app. This is not a requirement to have. It is just in the event that you would like to use this app in addition to what you already have for your child. I'd like to thank you for coming to the Seesaw for K-5 training. And if you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to your child's teacher or education manager